New for you right now at 11 o'clock. State and local authorities are keeping a close eye on businesses that break COVID rules, already suspending 3 liquor permits during the pandemic. They're warning businesses to follow the rules or risk a shutdown. Channel 3 Eyewitness News reporter Sharon Johnson is live right now in Hamden with more details about the latest restaurant here to have a problem. Sharon?
Well, Mark, Studio 1537 in Hamden was shut down today, and I just want to show you what's posted on their door. This order says their liquor permit has been suspended indefinitely. The state says businesses that don't follow the COVID-19 rules could receive the same notice.
This was a place that had well over 100 people on a dance floor, not appropriate social distancing or mask wearing.
Commissioner Michelle Siegel is talking about Café Studio 1537 in Hamden, which is closed until further notice. A suspension order says on December 4th, the business had more than 100 people inside. It says patrons weren't practicing social distancing and says half of them were not wearing masks.
And when people go to these places, you're not just putting yourself at risk. It's communities, the healthcare workers who then have to deal with hospitalized patients.
Right now, 78% of hospital beds are occupied statewide. 36% of ICU beds are occupied by COVID patients. Commissioner Siegel says they haven't given out the hefty $10,000 fine to any business or restaurant yet. But she says law enforcement and other community partners are keeping an eye out.
The vast majority of our businesses and our citizens are complying with the rules and trying to do things correctly.
The suspension order for Café Studio 1537 also notes, quote, permitting a public health nuisance on your property.
We know it's a tough time for businesses and appreciate that so many of them are stepping up, and we appreciate our partners at the towns letting us know when places are not.
And we reached out to the owner of Studio 1537 for comment, and we're still waiting to hear back. Live in Hamden tonight, Sharon Johnson, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.
Sharon.